Okay, here's the exterior, here's the rear. As you can see, there's got a pretty serious door lock set up here with hidden, and you can't just snip it, so you have to somebody would have to torch the whole thing to even get in there. So there's the back. There's the side. Dualies on the back down there. There's the two windows. 350, and as you can see, it is a power stroke. It's 144 kilometers, which is a lot less miles. Can't remember what that is. And basically the outside. Never been in an accident. Never wounded. That's basically it. Just this. Here's the back. As you can see, there is it's about 87 inches wide and about 65 inches deep from the back door area here internally. Now on the left and right side, I have, see this side, you can see there's like a shelf up top. That shelf folds up. You can see the other side of the shelf is already folded up, so it can come down or go up, and then there's strapping things on either side. And then there's about a 3.5 foot over, like a bed over up top there of extra room. 350 cubic feet of space, and it also has a strap down on the ceiling with lights. And at the back here, as you can see, there's about a little 10, 11, 12 foot ramp that comes down and clips on there, so you can wheel anything in here quite easily. And it has a tow trailer package here with the wiring. And then look to the side here, there's a mirror. And up front, Power stroke diesel. It has, you can see the trailer attachment right there, or what's that called, trailer assist. And I've got it wired for sound underneath the seat with sub in the back, and so you can hook up computers or anything. $360. Okay, let's go outside. Here's the entrance. 3 steps in, and there's the passenger cab. 3 seats up front, bench, 4 seats, seat belts in the back, and that pulls out into a huge bed. And then up top, that could be a bed too. We sometimes put mattresses up there, or luggage, or whatever we want. Windows outside, speakers in the back, all wired internally on the walls. And then there's a pusher pull fan, super fan or whatever they're called up top there, and lights interior. And this here part over top, that's the overhang that you'll see inside the cab. Yep. I'm going to sit down back here. I'm 6'1", and as you can see, my knees are probably 18 inches away from the front seat, so I can stretch right out while sitting here. Underneath the seat is a heater that has a switch on the wall on the left there, and the interior is fully insulated. And I've never had to use it in the winters in Canada. I just use the dash heater. There is no aircon. I never did get that put in. And here's the side window, so if you're sitting back here, got a great view of the road. Here's from up top looking down into the passenger cab area. As you can see, 3 seats there, and there's 4 seats, seat belts there, and the back turns into a bed. There's the doorway.